Hello friends, I'm back with new video. So today we will learn what is logical operators. So here we have three logical operators. Okay, this is logical AND, logical OR and logical NOT. So these three operators are working like this, that if you have value A is equals to 20 and B equals to 30, so these both values are different. So if I'm writing like this way, that A double AND B, that means value of A is 20 and value of B is 30. So how it is working, that it returns true if both the values A and B are true. That means if these both values are same or these both values are true, only then the answer is true. But here they have different values, right? So this is false. And in OR the opposite thing is happen, that if it returns true, if the value of either A is true or either B is true. Okay, then it is true, otherwise it is false. So here they both have different values, so this is true because one of them should be true. Okay, so that is why here the answer is true. The last one is logical NOT. Before going to use this operator, if initially the value is true and after we are using the logical NOT, the result is false, because this operator is used to represent the opposite side of the thing, that it returns true if the value is initially false, otherwise it is true. That means if initially it is true, then after using it the answer will become false, and initially if the answer is false, after using it the answer will become true. This much simple is the logical operator is. And as you know that operators are just a symbol, like these are the symbols which are used here, and variables with which these operators are working are called operand. Please check the previous operators also if you have not checked earlier, and see you in the next one. Take care.